As I'm totally dedicated to skincare, I wanted to make it a point it doesn't have to be expensive. There are several home remedies which can work wonders for you. This is one of them. A 2 rupees coffee pouch and a teaspoon of honey. Well, it acts as a great exfoliant agent on your nose areas under the lips to remove those pigmentations and dead cells, while honey works wonder like tightening your skin, providing a moisturizing and glazy effect. This is an underrated mask and you should definitely try it yourself. This is not at all harsh on your skin. So when you apply it, make sure to apply a thick layer and then do circular rounds, especially under the lips where most of our Indians get pigmentation and beside the nose. Keep this mask for at least 20 minutes but not more than that, or else it gets really messy. After that, get some lukewarm water, put a cotton pad or neat clothes, wipe it off slowly. As you can see, there is no stickiness. The entire product comes out easily, and also as per frequency, use it only once a week. This is the instant result I got after using it, so I would definitely recommend this.